Welcome to the Independence Public Library Storytime Kits instructional video. My name is Vonnie, and today we have the opportunity to create a butterfly stick puppet. To do this craft, you'll need a kit from the public library, some glue stick, a marker, and a pair of scissors. If you want to stop the video while you're gathering your supplies, that'd be great. Go ahead and start again when you're ready to go. Inside your kit that came from the library, there should be a large purple butterfly shape, a blue strip that has 4 different oval-looking things on it, a pink strip that has 4 markings on it, a butterfly body in yellow, and a set of antennae, 2 strips, a tongue depressor or popsicle stick, and 2 sticky circles. What we need to start with to do is cut all of our objects out. Before we do that, if you'll notice with your blue and your pink, there are a little bit larger circles and a little bit smaller. Same with the blue. Once you cut these out, you'll want to be able to match the larger circles with the larger blue and the smaller pink with the smaller blue. All right, if you want to go ahead and start cutting, take your time. Go ahead and stop the video, and when you have all your parts cut out, start the video again and we'll proceed on. Good job with that last step. That took a little time. All right, first thing I think I want to do is kind of match up the parts that I need. And there's my blue. Okay. The larger pink should fit into your larger oval of your wings. As the smaller should fit into the smaller blue. Okay. Once you get those together, probably the next thing to do would be to glue those. You want to get it as close to one end of it as possible. That's part of that's this part up here that we're working on. You want to make sure and get plenty of glue on there. We don't want his spots to fall off. Okay. Once those are glued, I'm going to take my yellow or my purple butterfly body. I'm going to add the longer part to the upper wing, like up here. And the smaller to the bottom part, like down here. Once you have them set in place where you think you want them to be, go ahead and glue them down. It might be easier if you have some kind of paper to put under that to really glue the edges so you don't get glue on your mom's table. Okay. Okay. Once you get those glued down, it should look something kind of like this. Nice job. Okay, next, I want to take my butterfly body. He's going to go right in the middle here. Okay. So you want to make sure and get plenty of glue on the back of him. And then glue him down in the middle. Okay, our next part would be the antenna, this part. I don't want to put glue on all of him, just on part, like the bottom half of that maybe, of the little strips. Okay, and I'm going to stick those to the back of his little head. So it looks something like that. You may want to try to get them as even as you can, but that's okay. Every butterfly is unique. Okay, so now we need to finish doing his eyes. You should have a set of round stickers. What I'm going to do is make kind of a half eye to them, kind of just mark part of the bottom of his eye. Maybe something kind of like that. Or you can put a dot right in the middle. It's your butterfly. You can give him any kind of eyes you'd like. I hope they're happy eyes. Okay. All right, so once you have those marked, then we're going to put them on his little face. Something like that. Now our last step is to attach our butterfly to our stick. For that, okay, probably the top 2/3 of your stick you'll want to get lots of glue on. Okay, then we're going to attach our butterfly to that. We'll want to center him on our stick pretty much. And there we go. You have a fantastic little butterfly. You've done a fantastic job today. Thank you for joining me. Some books about butterflies that we have at the Independence Public Library are Waiting for Wings by Lois Eilert, 10 Magic Butterflies by Danica McKellar, Butterfly by Mick Inkpen, and Mr. McGinty's Monarchs by Linda Vander Hayden. You did a great job today. We're glad you joined us. We do hope to see you at the Independence Public Library again soon.